It starts right now.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Abundant Wild.
Dun, dun, dun.
We are on another adventure. Thank you for joining us. We are heading to Independence Trail. We heard that there's a few falls down there. Probably nothing too crazy as compared to what we just saw at Bill Falls, but it's going to be fun nonetheless.
Here we go. There's Jay Jones.
So water used to flow through this right here, this old ditch, and why they would do that is because it would funnel it in, make it really, really forceful, and they would shoot it out of a big water canyon, and they would use that for hydraulic mining. It's like a cannon, they call it a hydraulic monitor, and they blast the hillside and erode it all down, and they would try to find the gold. Alright, so we're on the trail right now. This is awesome. It's 71 degrees out today. It's a beautiful October day. We're just enjoying this little stroll. I think that's the waterfall. So yeah, that's the cool thing about this. It's all on a wooden flume. It's been turned into a walking trail.
We found the waterfall. Rush Creek Falls. underwater. I'll have to hold my nose.
So you can only imagine how much water would be coming out of this during a heavy rain in the springtime. Perhaps we'll come back. I walked down Rush Creek a little bit underneath the flume and there was a pretty good drop, so I would say that would be a pretty spectacular waterfall to capture.
Independence Trail. I live hiking camera, but I will be careful.
Okay, so I've been hiking on this trail for a little while now, and there seems to be this strange little creature following me. He claims I'm his father. Okay, he seems to have stopped. I'm gonna try to make a run for it. I gotta get out of here.
So, here we are. Me and you. Thing about making a YouTube channel is, does anybody care? Does anybody care what my life is like? Does anybody care what I'm up to these days? I don't know. I care. Maybe that's good enough.
October. Make it!
Like that, but better. You're in a tunnel, you're under the road. Thank you for watching us.
Please hit the red subscribe button below. We're trying to get 100 subscribers.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. I love you. I love you. You.
All right, next time we see you guys, we're going to be in Missouri. That was Hoyt's Crossing that Lydia was just showing with the camera, and I was reading about it last night. It looks like it's going to be a pretty good hike to a, well, in the summertime, what would be a nude beach, so stay tuned. Hey!